Hi all, welcome to Plant Senses YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 10 agriculture enterprises in India. The following are India's top agri-based industries or enterprises arranged in no particular order. Agriculture is a source of employment for over 50% of the population in India. This primary sector contributes to more than 13.9 to the GDP, and overall production has seen a steep rise in the past 6 decades. So in this context, let's discuss the top 10 agri-based industries in India. Number 1, DuPont India. It is one of the oldest agriculture companies in India, established way back in 1802, operating in more than 90 countries. DuPont Corporate and head office are situated in Gurgaon, Haryana. This company deals with agro-based products which include seeds, pesticides, insecticides that protect crops such as rice, wheat and vegetables. Nusewedu Seeds. The largest producer of BT cotton in India is Nusewedu Seeds Limited. It was founded way back in 1973. It has its own corporate head office at Hyderabad, Telangana. It's Telugu-based industry, and the company offers seed for a wide range of crops such as cotton, vegetables, mustard and sorghum. ITC. ITC Limited is an Indian multinational conglomerate company headquartered in Kolkata, West Bengal. It was established in 1910 as the Imperial Tobacco Company India Limited. Tata Rallis. It's a subsidiary of Tata Group. Rallis India Limited has founded in 1815. It is one of the foremost agrochemical companies in India. It deals with agricultural products such as fertilizers, pesticides to seeds and seed treatment chemicals as well. Advanta Limited. It was established in 1994. It is active in the seed business. It is a plant genetics company, and Advanta is amongst the leaders in agriculture industry, having presence in more than 6 continents. Advanta is a world leader as far as the forages and grains are concerned, and it was also listed in NSE and BSE indexes as well. Linkmin India Agro Equipment Private Limited. It is a agro equipment or agro machinery based company. It was recognized manufacturer of machinery needed for soil cultivation, sowing, plant protection and many other agriculture practices. It has its manufacturing plant in Nagpur, Maharashtra, and it has spread its business in 45 countries around the world. Linkmin India is one of the leaders in plowing cultivators and power harrow production and agriculture implements production. Monsanto India. It is Indian subsidiary of American agriculture giant, which was founded in 1901, Missouri. Monsanto India prime business includes production of pesticides and other seeds and seed treatment chemicals. National Agro Industries. National Agro Industry was established in 1970 and it is based in Ludhiana, Punjab. National Agro Industry is involved in manufacturing of agriculture equipment, and it enjoys a considerable market share in concerned sector of agriculture India. Some of the notable products of company include ridge planter, crop planter, paddy grain planter, seed drill and maize shell. Godrej Agrovet India Limited. It is subsidiary of Godrej Group, came into existence in 1990. The company deals with agro-based products and it is one of the top agriculture entities in India. The company is known for providing bird feeds, animal feeds and agrochemicals, poultry-based products and palm oil production. Rasi Seeds. As the name suggests, Rasi Seeds involved in the agriculture seed production. It was founded in 1973. Seeds for pale millet, maize, cotton are produced by the Rasi Seeds. It is one of the best agrobiotech companies of India. It has won many awards for offering best quality seeds and expertise in farming for the agriculture farming sector.